Hello, Ben Dunn from Friday again. Something happened this morning that I thought I'd tell you about. You know, when you have a spreadsheet and either the structure isn't quite right and it's going to take you an age to kind of move all the rows and the columns around, or there's that there's an easier way to do something, like some really clever formula, and you just don't know what it is. The best thing to do, which is what I did this morning, is to just go to ChatGPT or Claude or something like that, and you can either upload the spreadsheet and just say, look, take these rows, order them into columns, and I want it to look like this with that row and that column and that kind of stuff. And 99 times out of 100, it will just do it. Or you can explain the problem that you have as clearly as you can, right? Because I think that's the other thing, is that don't think that you have to kind of be very good at explaining what you need to do. Just have a crack. And it is amazing how often it comes back, not just with a suggestion for the formula, but it will actually give you the formula that you can just copy and paste and put it into Excel. So just try. Whenever you have a problem with Excel and you just don't know how to do it, or you can just see days stretching in front of you, where you're going to have to kind of move everything around and use VLOOKUPs, and as soon as you even think the word pivot table, GPT.